911.
Hi, my little brother is having a manic episode. He has tried to stab me with a knife. I don't know where he is. We're at 1277 Spring Creek Drive. He's somewhere in the lot, and I don't know where he is. I'm bleeding a little bit. I think 1277. I'm so sorry. I don't know off the top of my head. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get away from it.
Okay, that's why you keep moving so much. So I'm not.
It's like a light cut. I'm not that bad. I really need to get away.
Okay. He did stab you with a knife, though?
He has cut me and put it up to my neck and shit like that. I had to stop him from stabbing me. I only got cut a little bit on my hand from stopping that.
Shots fired. 303, shots fired. Send rescue.
Okay, let me see.
He has been, apparently, I took away ether or something. He's like puffing something. I don't know what it is. I have it in a bag in my part of the apartment.
Shot fired. Send rescue.